Hi there, welcome to a small video brought to you by Park Lane. Just a question to ask you out there. I've recently purchased a Batman rear-wheeling equipment carriage. This one replaced my old Hornby one I had, which I wasn't happy with. However, I'm looking at present for a 75 tonne breakdown crane. Now I know Hornby do these. To be honest with you, I'm not really happy with the Hornby model. I would like to replace that with a more detailed model. Now I have scoured internet, probably one of the best ones I've seen was a 12 tonne crane from the CCE department, and that's certainly one I want to purchase in August. There's a man called Mark at Build G's, and they're absolutely fantastic, well detailed, very pricey but worth every penny. However, my search for a 75 tonne breakdown crane goes on. I don't know if any of you out there know somebody that's selling one or it can actually make one for me, but if you do, could you just drop me a message? It'd be very much appreciated. Regarding the Batman re-railing coach, I'm very pleased with this. There's a cracking amount of detail on it. You know, from the pipe work, you can see the kind of electrical flash sign. It's an absolutely fantastic model and worth every penny of £30, which I paid for it, and this was exclusively for two models on when I were there. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, comment, and as I said before, anybody that knows anybody that's selling a 75 tonne breakdown crane or could make me one, please drop us a line. Thank you. Bye.